high pressure over the
I think the
weekend.
freezing fog and the ice will take over. Now, frost already taking a hold. Temperatures at Glasgow Airport half an hour ago down to -5 Celsius and down below freezing at Luton as well. The frost will gather overnight. In fact, temperatures not quite so low in parts of Northern Ireland by morning. The breeze will be picking up here. But for many of us, a hard, sharp frost, and that means some icy stretches on untreated roads and paths all the way from central parts of Scotland down towards the south coast. Well, it's this ridge of high pressure that's going to bring clearing skies tonight and help those temperatures to continue their fall. Across central areas of Britain, mainly North Wales and Northern England, there's been quite a bit of cloud during the daytime, and that's brought these flurries of rain, sleet and snow in from the west. They're beginning to ease off now, and the last bits and pieces of sleet and snow over the Pennines should give way this evening as we see those skies beginning to clear. But around the Irish Sea here, we could still have one or two showers even into tomorrow morning. Showery weather and wind arriving in the far northwest of Scotland and the Northern Isles. And by the end of the night, more cloud rolling in towards the extreme south, and particularly the southeast of the country, will probably mean that by morning temperatures here are just above the freezing mark. And freezing fog, one of the big problems because of that high pressure. That will still be here, the high pressure, right throughout the weekend. So the freezing fog taking over as the main risk for travellers. In fact, it will have formed overnight all the way from the Midlands up through into southern areas of Scotland. So this is how it's going to start off for Saturday morning. Quite a gloomy start today around some of these southern coastal areas too, with perhaps just the odd spot of rain or sleet fringing the southern coastal areas down towards the Channel Islands and moving westwards through the daytime. Elsewhere, well, there'll be a lot of dry weather, but that mist and fog and low cloud is going to be quite reluctant to clear. It will gradually break, and we'll see some brighter weather coming through, but in a few spots, well, there we could see temperatures staying below freezing as the fog lingers right through the day. And a generally cold day again, although the south, the west here and the far northwest are just a little bit milder. More frost into Sunday, more freezing.